Alright, so here's my Bryant air conditioner running. Right now it's really buzzing, so I just wanted to make this video. You don't normally see it buzzing this much, so I decided to make a video of it. So anyways, sorry the dog is barking a lot. So yeah, anyways, here it is running. Help and scroll. Mars fan motor. 2012, 2.5 ton. It's cold and sweaty. It's been buzzing like this for whatever reason. I don't know why it's buzzing. And I'm sorry about the dogs. There, they stopped. There it is buzzing, so yeah. It's buzzing a lot. I'm not sure why it got like this, but yeah. Yeah. Don't mind the dogs. They're just doing their thing. Sorry about that. And yes, now that the sound might be faded, it might sound kind of intense. Just be lucky I don't have a Sony digital camera. That'll make things sound super intense, just kind of almost unaudible. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.